This is a group obstacle race and generally called as a snake race. The aim of this race is that you should move in a team, move in a group together. You cannot reach to the next obstacle unless every one of the team crosses the first obstacle. That means you got to cross this, every one of you, then move to the next, then 1 team, 2 team and 3 team, rather Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. Same thing stands that each individual of Alpha team has to cross, then go to the next. And while you are doing these obstacles, help each other, keep shouting your war cry and help each other. And while you are doing it, snake should not touch the ground and don't leave it behind. Okay, and once you cross it at the end, let's see who reaches first. And in case you commit foul, then the penalty given is that few seconds or a minute you can be held. No work, okay? No movement. So that's the kind of penalty which GTO gives it. Or he might ask you, if it's easy, okay, do it again. So generally he doesn't do it. The aim of this group obstacle race is what? Anybody can tell me this. What is the aim? Parikshit is absolutely correct. What has happened is you have gone through the 4 obstacles before this: GD, GP, PGT and then your half group task. So by this time every one of the group is under stress and they want some kind of relaxation. So when we give you this group obstacle race, this eases out your tension because you are free to help each other, you are free to call each other, and at the same time have a loud voice, and this releases your tension as well as your that coordination comes in. That is the aim of this group obstacle race. Okay? And what we are going to do after the completion of this, we will tell you after that. Okay? All ready now?
Yes, sir.
What is your war cry?
Vande Mataram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are all ready?
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. Jai Shri Ram.
Be together, be together. Every one of you has done extremely well, and who knows, first, second, third, you all know.
Yes, sir.
And I must appreciate you 149. You have done, being the first attempt, I suppose, done it very well. Keep it up. And that's the spirit that you should go with your group. Okay? Every one of you has done extremely well, and I am very happy. आप लोगों ने इतने अच्छे से अपनी वॉर क्राई को मेंटेन रखा है, एंड कीप इट अप. यहाँ पे जो सबसे पहला ग्रुप आप आया था, who was the person who was come here. Man, you need a shabashi for that. This is how you should help your group people to come up faster. Okay? And I'm sure you all have done it, but he was the first one to do it, and very good. Keep it.